Hello friends, I'm Shashank Saxena and this is Shaurya Saxena. We are going to now do some review of Samsung Active Wash Plus Magic Dispenser 8 kgs washing machine of wine color, as we have done unboxing in a previous video. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is a new washing machine I bought yesterday, and yesterday was the unboxing. You can check on the channel. To first unlock the tub. First you have to don't use the tub. Simply do this. Okay. If you want to unlock the tub, then press it and open. Okay. Then lock. Or you can lock simply by just opening and pressing. Okay. And some functions of the machines are some buttons. There is water level 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Active wash plus drain, save, wash. This is digimeter of the level, wash, drain, spin, rinse, power spin. As you can see, very power for switching machine on or and off. Start pause. This is the main feature which you get in this top load machine. It you will not get in front load. For Z means and jeans. Quick wash, very good feature. Blanket to wash blankets, soak and delicates. Okay, and the main feature of this is
water jet.
and other is water jet.
Water jet
Here.
टब में पानी आता है.
In by pressing this, you can have water from this, not inside this also, but here. Magic dispenser.
Magic filter.
Filter.
Magic filter. Magic filter.
And here also.
Magic filter.
It doesn't lock. So it has 3 years and 10 years warranty, and we have not removed the polythene from it. It's nice. Sticking it is not. Okay. Then here for moving of the machine, here is the handle. And here is the pipe liner from which you have to have pipe and insert it for water. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share.